Amazonia, land of freedom, usually responsibility nowadays. And your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God being the watchman of this nation.
Greetings, my beloved brothers and sisters of Amazonia. You're all hearing from Colonel Arthur John, the spokesman of the Amazonia Police, the truth teller. If you didn't listen, just click the share button, you share them. Plenty things and they were able to talk them today. We will not know them. I just expose a lot of things that are going on behind. Why you people don't know? Just click share button, you share them. I will start with the soft button. The agenda today, as I classify them, as I jot them down for paper, I have exposed some hidden plans of AGC. I have exposed hidden plans of Scopers. I have talked about IG. I have talked about Ground Zero. I never talk about granite where they need them for Ground Zero. I never talk about some black legs them. I never talk about fake general them. I never talk about fake colonels them. I never talk about village champions them. Plenty things that they were never talking today. I will start to talk most important matters. I will finish them with AGC and Scoper. I will start with the IG. So any man where they listen, me he just click the share button. He share them. Me I start with IG. We talk about IG now. I will start this evening for talk about one SCBC. SCBC. I will start with the SCBC. This is the first thing I'm going to talk about it today. We believe SCBC belongs to all Ambazonians. SCBC belongs to all of us. SCBC belongs to all of us. We know this. The SCBC belongs to all of us. And one very important thing that I'm going to say about the SCBC is that you and me, we donate money. We put money for inside SCBC. We put money for inside SCBC. For start SCBC with them. The SCBC belongs to all Ambazonians them. So now it is now where it happen. Most of them, SCBC belongs to all Ambazonians. So wait where they go on be say, Colonel Arthur John could talk a lot of things there for now today. Especially all corners for the revolution. SCBC, some bad elements then they prepare SCBC where them block people them. All the people that they block them, me they unblock them. SCBC belongs to all Ambazonians. Ambazonia is a land of milk and honey where freedom of speech is permitted. So that is the matter where Colonel Arthur John want to talk about SCBC. I'm going to take point number 2. Colonel Arthur John could talk about Colonel Arthur John could talk about IG. I'll be talking about the IG now. Most of us Ambazonians, we have been talking, preaching A, B, C, Z, D, E, F. Say IG weak, IG weak, IG weak, IG weak. Say Dr. Samuel Sako weak. Dr. Samuel Sako no fit take decision. Now wait now una be the talk now for una better information. Colonel Arthur John and the Ambazonia police can testify to you that Dr. Samuel Sako is a man. He deserves what he has done. Most of you people will congratulate him. Dr. Samuel Sako of the IG, he listened to Ambazonians. He listened to what they talk. Dr. Samuel Sako don't move an ultimate punishment based on which way you listening and me saying have been asking him to do this. Dr. Samuel Sako, now the right man for this job. He did it without any fear, without any vagation or courage. He did it with courage in him. He has the courage. Dr. Samuel Sako, he did the job in a professional manner. The IG is there. The IG is our government. Any man we don't like IG, he pack himself, go for La Republic, go stay there. IG is there. The IG is our government. Nobody is going to bring down Dr. Samuel Sako and the IG. The IG is there. Man of God is leading us, and we must reach Boya through the man of God. Those of you people saying that the IG is weak, I'm sorry, una pack una tinengo. And Colonel Arthur John could tell una now, clean and clearly. Clean and clearly, all those who are part of the scoper, who were inside the IG, Colonel Arthur John will make it clearly before the whole war and Ambazonians right now that all of them have been sacked out of the IG. None of them is still functioning. No Takameton, no Raymond Sama, none of them, all of them, they are officially being sacked. None of them is still part of the IG. Good decision from Honorable Dr. Samuel Sako. And this is a powerful step leading us to Boya. While listening, you click the share button, you share. Me tell you, any black leg when they sack you from IG, when they sack you from IG, if you go try to sabotage the IG, no believe anything, because now their next strategy is that when they go use them for attack Dr. Samuel Sako say he take decision. Because now so Derek don't decry. Taka Melton decry. Milan Atem decry. Morgan they decry, say they don't sack them without consulting them. But we can start with Dr. Samuel Sako because he is another type of president who want him. Where he listen to where Ambazonians, then they will talk up who demand for their sacking. And Dr. Samuel Sako did it. All of them, they are out. They are out of the IG. After I'm speaking today, the 21st of June 2018, if any of them come make any post claiming they are part of the IG, do not believe. They are not part of the IG. As from today henceforth, they are not. They are not part of the IG. While listening, click the share button, you share. When I tell you something, Dr. Samuel Sako, now a God-sent angel, where he come for free. Dr. Samuel Sako start the job with prayer, fasting, to break down the charm where Milan Atem be the user, the charm people then they inside IG. Milan Atem they use the charm. Dr. Samuel Sako, after he fasting, he break down all this charm them. He debunk them. He debunk all the charm. The charm got broken. All the charm got broken. No particle for charm to remain. All the charm got broke. Now why that way all the particle of the charm broke? So they others them, they shine their eyes. Colonel Arthur John no fi come lie una because at the revolution I've talked nothing but the truth. The truth, and that is my duty. Since when the revolution start, I always stand for the truth. While listening, click the share button, share that. Because one time we go reach for Scopers and AGC. Why I could move some true thing where they happen. Think at them. I want to meet at least 50 people them before I start talk about them. I could take other things in light. When 50 people, when I want year wait to the Pascal Scoper and AGC, where they do a back, they hide and for enrich themselves. Una just click the share button, me people they plenty. Me they plenty for listener. So that my talk, my tell una wait to the past where others they go and repeat away me and all them who have outside today. Just click the share button, invite 5 or 10 people them. Directly me they come listen. Wait to a colonel attach on the talker today for them. My people them, my brother, my sisters them. When God says, this is our year, nothing no day where if you change them. If God tell you say you go marry now the person, you go marry them since the day where they born you. Nothing can change it. With God, everything's are possible. With Dr. Samuel Sako, a man of God, leading us, everything is possible. The charm of Milan Atem is broken. The charm of Milan Atem is cracked down. So, we not forget today, say Takameton na IG. All the people that will record their name them, Derek Yu, Sama Raymond, Mangang, all of them, they are no more part of the IG. Only people that for now, for the main moment, Colonel Atta John knows they are part of the IG. They are Dr. Samuel Sako, Dr. Santos, our Honorable Ambassador Kuku Blake, all others, with some truthful others, the way we small time Dr. Samuel Sako could make our understand them. Because we need to know who they will be, who lead us them, where they lead we. They go make all who know all of it. While listening, be sharing. Una then have 39 people them. I need at least 50 people before I start take on AGC and Scopers. To tell you the way to where AGC and Scoper don't do them. Where AGC and Scoper don't do them. Why are you listening? Share. Because I didn't have my new profile. Where Scopers then they report my other profile. My other profile be under suspension 3 days, 4 days more. Me the suspension finish. So, being anyway that other profile, I no need for even talk say share. I just come live talk na talk. Now wait till I come to one. Because people know me well. But this one, na new profile, this one I just use a back up for the main moment. So, Dr. Samuel Sako, after the sacking of all these bad belly people, them, the next step, where Ambazonia police then they smear them. Now, unity excluding Scopers and Scammers AGC. That is the next step. Colonel Atta John and Ambazonia police then they smear them. Unity excluding, including all Ambazonians, excluding Scopers and AGC Scammers. That is the next step of Dr. Samuel Sako. Dr. Ebenezer has proven to us, Ambazonians, that he is a strong person. He is a strong person. Wait, before I want to continue, me I expose somebody for now. This guy, the way he write and say, I held Milan Atem, na strong guy. Say Milan Atem, na strong guy. Where he named them Bakso, in Bakso, he named them Bakso, Ambazonia, Bakso. Now wait that way that he named me I expose him for now. His real name is Serge. He will be member of the Ambazonia police. I, Colonel Atta John, a fire if outside. His name was Roland Motan. Because it is say information for outside, a fire if outside. That is his real name. After this show, I could post his marriage certificate and his real information online for all to see who was Roland Motana. I'm going to expose it. I will expose it to you people. Because na the Roland motor na that. But so na in that so we come the right the hell Milan at him. Because he go team up with Milan at him for the thief. Me Colonel Atajon, we fire him back so. We fire him. I fire back so from the Amazonia police. I fire he. Me, I fire he. I fire he from the Amazonia police. Me, I did the firing. Dr. Ebenezer, as I was saying, you are a true leader. You are a true leader. You are a true leader. So, I want to talk about Dr. Ebenezer. He is a true leader. Dr. Ebenezer has proven to us that he is a true leader. Any man will doubt Dr. Ebenezer, me the person pack himself come out for the revolution. Dr. Ebenezer is a true leader for the revolution. Dr. Ebenezer, he abandoned the family. He abandoned the family. It is close to 3 weeks now with Dr. Ebenezer no be near his kids and the wife. He abandoned the family, go down for South Africa for push about our revolution. Dr. Ebenezer has proven to Amazonians that he is a true leader. He is our true leader. Dr. Ebenezer need to talk. He need to talk. He need to make Photoshop them like Ayaba. Use plastic weapons them like Ayaba. Dr. Ebenezer, the do na action. Dr. Ebenezer, he actions. Now actions with Dr. Ebenezer the talk. Action speaks louder than words. Anyone wey the coach Dr. Ebenezer now an enemy to this revolution. Anyone wey the coach Dr. Ebenezer now an enemy to this revolution. Dr. Ebenezer, us Ambazonians, we call on you, our honorable Dr. Ebenezer. Please come out live once more and distance yourself away from scammer Ayaba. Because without your name, where Ayaba the user say that you are in the work, people they don't go to give money for scammer Ayaba. Ayaba the ever use Dr. Ebenezer name for all incident, all issues happening. Ayaba the use Dr. Ebenezer name for the Ayaba the use Dr. Ebenezer name for the so that people convince people then think say Dr. Ebenezer the work here Ayaba, but they are not working together. Example, what will happen for Mantong, Kumba, that village for Kona Kumba. Now, example that, una year way Ayaba go and go cause problem for inside SYL come no. Una now see am na evidence that say Ayaba and Dr. Ebenezer need to work together. Share this video, my brothers and sisters. Share it and you share because soon I will be speaking about the most serious matter, hidden agenda of AGC and Scopers. Share the video. Share and invite more people because smarter you can reach for the most dangerous position. Very dangerous position. What I go expose all things for Scopers for una. Everything I could tell una today. My brother, my sisters then. My brother, my sisters, when I talk something so detailed about Dr. Ebenezer, I don't monitor Dr. Ebenezer for very, very long time. Dr. Ebenezer na true warrior for we. Dr. Ebenezer for the revolution, he is our AK-47. Do that remember? All we be insult Dr. Ebenezer, including me, Colonel Atajon. say Dr. Ebenezer won war. But have you realized that if we follow Dr. Ebenezer, he advice for the AK-47, by now, una know so for don dey boya. Una don't realize him. Una don't realize that it's shame for go before Dr. Ebenezer and apologize before Dr. Ebenezer say, sorry, we be cautious, we be do this. Now, Kumbangambe Dr. Ayaba, in the worker preach say, now he be start AK-47. That is a lie. Ayaba, Kumbangambe Doctor. No be he start anything say AK-47. No be he start am. No be he start am. Now Dr. Ebenezer start am. Now Dr. Ebenezer start AK-47. He preach up in live videos them. He preach. Who coach Dr. Ebenezer. Insulting me, I insult Dr. Ebenezer. And I will take this opportunity to apologize once more. I don't apologize for Dr. Ebenezer on behalf of the Ambazonia police. Many times. And I will also apologize again today. Say, Dr. Ebenezer, our honorable Dr. Ebenezer, big apology that we did insulted you for preaching of AK-47. We have now realized that only AK-47 will free Ambazonians. This is it. We apologize. The Bible says, if you hurt somebody, go to the person and you say, please forgive me and forget my brother, my sister. That is the truth. So, on behalf of all Ambazonians and except scammers, please, Dr. Ebenezer, forgive us. We were wrong. We were wrong. We were wrong, Dr. Ebenezer. We were wrong. So forgive us. Dr. Ebenezer, keep on with the good job that you are doing. Keep on with the good job that you are doing. And may God bless you and give you long life. Free us. We hope and we pray you will be part of the new IG that Dr. Samuel Sako will unleash very soon, because we need you. We need you, Dr. Ebenezer. We need you in the IG. With you in the IG, things will go more better. I need you. Ambazonians need Dr. Ebenezer inside the IG. We need Dr. Ebenezer in the IG. By all means, come rain, come sun, we need him there. We need him to work with the IG in one way to the other and free Ambazonians as fast as possible. Next thing, Colonel Arthur John will be talking about is groundnut. I go skip, if you look the paper, some point there's a village champions. I go skip these village champions for now. When I don't start take on AGC, I will bring in the village champions for the main moment. I will take on groundnut and real irons. My beloved brothers and sisters, I want to talk something. All we were there abroad, we defend this struggle. All we were there abroad, only 1% of those overseas are doing an effort in this revolution. This revolution, if it fails, all bushfallers will be held responsible for this. Reason being that bushfallers then they only get interest now for power mongering. Every person where you don't even get any portfolio or he never do anything, he just come talk say he be leader. Even a my way, na ye person he claims say he be general. I don't know his military skills. I don't know what if he name 20 weapons for a military company, he will come claim say he be general. Wait. Bushfallers, we defend this struggle in the sense say, one, we are greedy. We are greedy. 99% of bushfallers are very, very greedy and selfish. Bushfallers are very, very greedy and selfish. That is the honest truth. Bushfallers, Una di konto money, and una expect we go free Ambazonians na ha. Man, no talk bushfaller, talk say excluding Colonel Arthur John. I'm also a bushfaller. Include me in it. Only 1%. Then they defer the revolution. You listening, only Ground Zero is doing a marvelous job. 100% on Ground Zero. And bushfallers are 0%. Bushfallers, what would you do? Ground Zero need money. We need to give them the money. We need to buy the weight where they need them. Ground Zero need real original chat room. Mark, no, and then the VFL, La Republic, don't put my name for one thing. We need machine gun. We need bomb them. We need machine gun and bomb them. For bombing them with them. We need them. We need all this, and we failed Ground Zero with providing all this because we are greedy. And we greedy, so we go blame when I go reach for Vagach agency. I go bring all this fault on agency. Now agency don't even hinder some of these bushfallers them with scam by scam. My brother, my sisters them. Me all we. Some bad element, the tribe will text me for messenger. The tribe will distract the talk. And now from agency, I no go respond you. Just continue me, let God bless you. But because you know I hear true. Bushfallers, let us take this as a responsibility. Month the end. Today we are on the 21st. They pay bushfallers them from the 23rd to the 27th. All bushfallers for Europe and North America and Canada, they pay we all with the collect salary. All with the collect salary. Let us take this like a responsibility. Tomorrow, I will start preaching. Anytime we will come live, we give a talk. Any man with the comments where they have IG, when a bushfaller, me he talk how much we could donate for IG. For under my comment. Now, so we could do them. When we brother Eric Tower, he did live, me people the comments, they talk how much they go contribute them for that same day for IG. No, they give them money for me. No give money for Eric Tower. No give money for sister Kuku Black. When all the day life, we not talk how much we not go donate them for race support Ground Zero them. Me all not talk them. We not listen Colonel Arthur John now. Those with good heart, you can make promise on comment how much you are going to donate into the IG based following Colonel Arthur John's campaign for you to fund my trip to Boya. Fund my trip to Boya. No give me money and then you receive money. I'm not in position to receive money. The Ambazonia police never receiving any money from any individual. When a day life, tell me, you will be IG person or you will wait when your heart be clean. My brother, my sister, propose how much on the comment section, how much you're going to send to the IG today to tomorrow. Propose on the comment. We need to raise money to fight La Republic with it. Freedom is not free. But we will not go permit, we will not go give permission. Say when freedom is not free, give the right for scammers them. Scammers them, they wake up, give the tribe, use the revolution for thief money for thief money. For thief money for the. So now the truth that way they, my brother, my sister, you can comment on the comment section. You tell me, propose how much you intend to donate. Even at $1 is enough. It's money. Even at $2 or 50 cents or 10 cents, it is money. It is appreciated. It will be appreciated. And it's what we'll give up. IG make good use of it. We can use this small money where they use our do for free Ambazonia Sutam. Especially now where they don't fire all scopers them. My trip to Boya. Any person when I talk, if any person under my video, it post say Fon Changshu and he block the person. And then they ever block people them all. But any person will write say Fon Changshu, I block the person. Okay. Amba Revolution don't promise IG $100. Congratulations, my brother. I'm very, very happy and proud, my brother or sister. I'm proud of you. You promised the IG $100. I will forward your information on your Facebook profile for IG so that me they cross-check out. And when you send them the $100, please be very, very kind. Block your name, blacken your name. Send me screenshot for the at the beg you na Beckham. At the beg na beg where you send the money for IG. Send me screenshot for you at the beg na beg. We have to fund the revolution. We have to do this. I Colonel Arthur John with me at the live at the talk show. While the talk show before this weekend end, me I could also add 100 euros for my trip to Boya. I will add 100 euros for my trip to Boya. Feel free to make promise. I will add 100 euros for my trip to Boya. I will add them. Feel free to make your promise. Feel free to do this. Feel free. Ground Zero need money. Ground Zero need money. But do not send the money to Colonel Arthur John. I don't need the money. I don't need the money. Do not send me any money. I don't welcome any income. No income to Colonel Arthur John. Me and Amba Revolution, we don't promise money. Colonel Arthur John, they send 100 euros. I can make screenshot tomorrow or after tomorrow. I post that online. Amba Revolution, please be very nice and you send me here on also. Fund my trip to Boya. Some person don't say, no. I chasing and Changshu have to just block the person. So that is it. My brother, my sister, I promise 100 euros. And Amba Revolution promise $100 for my trip to Boya. More donation going in. So my brother, my sister, if you need any information for send this money directly for IG, please contact Colonel Arthur John. I will give you the real information of funny it. And I will post the information for send the money directly for IG after I finish this video. We don't need the money. We don't need money for take money for any person. My name is Arthur John. Arthur John, half Bali and half Bakosi. I don't be interested to receive money like Chief Ivor for the take people their individual money the chop them. So at least for today, God has blessed us. Somebody is going to put $100 and I'm putting 100 euros. Who is going to put money more? Any person who can put more money, just write for comment how much you can put them. Just write for comment, my brother, my sister. Every day when they come live, so at least we need to put something. Even at $1 we need to put them. We need to put them. Even at anything we need to put them. And you put 100 euros. That's my own thing. I don't talk them. I will put them. 100 euros around 60 something thousand. For Ground Zero, at least my trip to Boya, I go use and make good use of the money for use them. So that is the thing what they talk about. My trip to Boya is the only good thing. It's the only good thing. Any money you give it to other scammers, they will steal the money and be eating it. They will steal the money and be eating it. Now so where Ivor don't use long says go scam Fred Fund. Fred Fund send you 100 euros. Ivor carry that money, go put petrol for your motor. Fred Fund, they the dream say Ivor do action for Ground Zero. Fred Fund na big time mugu. Na my party man ben na mugu. Fred Fund for mugu. He for chuki for Ivor. Just come on like that. My brother and my sisters, at the shift now have the most serious matter now. But I need more at least. More people, I need at least 50 people before I talk about what you are give expose them about scopers and others. Now, so before I will come back to unity and more donation needed. So wait since us. You see Colonel Arthur John be very, very excited today. Very, very excited today because Dr. Samuel Sako don't fire all scopers outside. Even Taka Merton is no more. He's nowhere to be found. I'm very, very excited today. I'm excited. I was one of the highest person to call for Dr. Samuel Sako to fire all the scopers in the IG. All una nama witness them. Me, I be tell una no. South Cameroon police be tell una say, he did so, Milan atem na scammer. Plenty people they cost me saying a lie. Una don't see him now, no. Una don't see him. When I tell una say Ayaba na scammer, una deviate the dream. Una go see him small time again. Ayaba they so already thief money to make plastic weapons. Share the video, let the people join at least and be 50. Let me start taking down. I'll start with AGC, finish with Scopers. Share the video. Let people be at least 50. Me I tell una wait the pass for Scopers and AGC. Una know am today. Those two people. Share because this is the most serious matter that I'm going to be talking about it today. Exposing now who posts about Changshu? Who posts about Changshu? Me the person just write the name. Who me the person write against Changshu? I no see the comment because I'm not focused on comment. General Dash White. General, please. Assistant Commissioner Dash White. Please. Who is the person talking about Changshu? Please. Me the person talk about Changshu again. If the chop mommy cocoa in there is crashy, me a blocky. I need 2-3 people more. Me a start talk about wait hidden agenda of AGC and Scopa. Wait where they don't plan on them too. Me a leak them all for una today. Wait, I could leak them all for una today. Una take una eye they chop Christmas with them. Share the video. I need at least 50 people. 50 number own. Number that 50 now 50 you are start talk about. I need 2 more people. 2 people needed more. I need 50. D'accord. Exactement. My brother, my sisters. My brother, my sisters, if you now look the subject of this talk today, the subject of this talk was about exposing scammers. Exposing scammers. Exposing scammers. This was the main topic. Exposing some hidden agenda of Scopers and AGC. Not this one, not this. Me have to talk about this. My beloved brothers and sisters, this is classified information from the Scopers. If I soften my voice for talking for now, since where the arrest of our leaders took place, Milan Atem. Il leave we. He go form a scoping group. He announced the group before Ambazonia's them. After Milan at him, he announced the group. Say, excuse me. I don't block you. He right chance I don't block him. I don't block him. Since the formation of Scopers them don't wake up, go form fake group, being the worker to claim they own Ambazonians. Okay. Una need to understand them. Una already hear about the scope online, but I will release una this hidden, short and sensitive information from the Ambazonia police investigation. We monitor the information from Milan Atem's phone. Directly enough, they will get the information. And I, Colonel Atajon, I announced last time, I am using Russia technology. We monitor this information from there. For security purpose, I no go disclose everything before now. Wait away, Ambazonia police they don't discover them. They say, Milan Atem, don't wake up, go for Rwanda. You people never hear this information. Now the first person who hear am from me, Colonel Atajon. Milan Atem don't go for Rwanda, Jan Scopers. Go the sign contracts them with Rwanda authority. Say they want sell them resources from Sonera. This is classified information. Most of you don't know about it, but we dig the information, we catch them. Milan Atem is signed for supply resources for Rwanda authority for 32 years. 32 years when Milan Atem wants supply resources for Rwanda. This document, Colonel Atajon and Ambazonia Police, we get this document, we'll catch them, we'll catch it. Me no man no ask me, no be all information will be put online. But we don't already confirm the information from Rwanda authority. We don't confirm it. Milan Atem, they go to sign this type of contract on behalf of Ambazonians. You listening and me speaking. Did you ever accept or endorse Milan Atem like our leader? No. Milan Atem is nobody. Who gave Milan Atem and Scopers the authority to go and represent Ambazonians before the Rwanda authority claiming to sell our resources? We have to stop Milan Atem by all means. We have to stop him. We have to denounce him before any Rwanda authority. Please go to Twitter, tweet, attack the Rwanda government. You tell them Milan Atem is nobody to sign to sell our resources to them. That is clean and clearly. Una no be know this information. More information about what Scopers' hidden agenda is on my discs. It's on my discs. I have them. I decided today to start releasing them one by one. This was the first information I decided to release today about Milan Atem and Scopa selling our resources to Rwanda authority. Number 2, Milan Atem no only stop today for sell resources for Rwanda authority. Milan Atem go for Democratic Republic of Congo. Democratic Republic of Congo. Go make promise for give them resources also for 25 years. Milan Atem go the promise he give Rwanda resources for 32 years and giving resources to Democratic Republic of Congo for 25 years. For 25 years. That is waiting. We can remain waiting. We can remain waiting. If Milan Atem go sell resources, who is Milan Atem? We must denounce Milan Atem as from now henceforth. We must denounce him. I can move more secretive information about Milan Atem tomorrow. I will be live again tomorrow for more chapter 2 about Milan Atem. I know if you talk am all now. So Muna know Milan Atem the deal with Rwanda and Democratic Republic of Congo. My brother, my sister, I want a Muna reflect something. Democratic Republic of Congo is still get partial connection. Des matter una Democratic Republic of Congo still get connection with French authority, with France, somehow in one way to the other. Well, una dey be blind. When we talk say Milan Atem, the work for La Republique, and Ibos na Chiroma Bagari, una dey argue. Why Milan Atem come out if you want go look na some country for help we, you go look na country where get connection with France. Why you go look na country where get connection with France? Why Milan Atem No go, he dey for South Africa. Why he no go for South Africa authority? He no go for the. He gonna have a play where he know say he go chop. Una understand no? Una dey understand. Wait till here in France, here we Milan at the here. Chiroma Bagali, they don't do them no. Now they did this way they do them, una never understand them. You don't need to come push me. You don't need to come push me. Tell me, say me I publish the information. I did tell una na vraiment we did it. When I start tell una about Milan Atem, say native, una coach me. When I start expose the hidden information, I go expose hidden information. Wait will happen between Milan Atem and President Ayuk Sisiko, Milan Atem and all these who married women, them where they married them. I go tell una everything. I go name hotel them. I go name the day. I go give dates of the day. Everything they did for me. Because Russia technology from Milan Atem's phone don't supply all the information. We wanna hear very well. We wanna calculate for una head, use common sense. My brother, my sisters. How do you feel if Milan Atem he choose for go sell resources for a country where he get connection for France? Una if una look and applaud where Milan Atem play am, because Milan Atem the indirectly one claim now say he want claim for Ambazonians. They say he want give the resources for Democratic Republic of Congo. Why Democratic Republic of Congo is just a forwarding country. A forwarding country. Democratic Republic of Congo could forward the resources directly to France. That is the deal. Many of you that wanna no do logistic for school. We wanna get this information. It is very, very top and classified information. I never ever talk something, so I always talk with different voice. If I soften my voice, I tell you something. My brother, my sisters, watch out about it. Watch out about it. We did see fight for rich boy and Milan Atem don't already sell resources. Milan Atem they sell resources already for France. Then pretending saying that Democratic Republic of Congo. Please, my brothers and sisters, believe nothing from these guys. Believe nothing from these guys, as I'm telling you people. This is the honest truth from Honorable Colonel Atajon, the spokesman of the Amazonia Police. Next thing, I tell una also last time say, Milan Atem, they work hand to hand with Ayaba. Una argue me. Most of una argue me, condemn am, insult me. Tell me say Colonel Atajon na fool, na illiterate, he do this, do that. Yes, I be illiterate, I accept say I be illiterate. Una ask yourself this question. Why Milan Atem they try to sell resources for France, pretending Democratic Republic of Congo? Ayaba Busey for Berlin, they go for La Republic Embassy, they collect bribe for inside. Ayaba Busey, they attack Dr. Ebenezer for Ground Zero. He attack Dr. Ebenezer for Ground Zero. Ayaba, he wake up, go send guys them. When they talk so cold and na witness. Now one witness. Some boy they will name na Eric. I don't call his other name. Now number 2 witness, no be Eric for US. No be Eric, more no need US. When he leak this information, say Ayaba, he create fake book profiles them. Fake profiles them. Give me the attack I do them. Ayaba, please tell me your honest truth before man and God. If you know that you are speaking the truth, tell us what is the deal you signed inside La Republique Embassy. You and the ambassador of La Republique. What was the deal and what was the motives of this deal? Fred Fund, you did so you don't start becoming two-side collapse Fred Fund. Fred Fund, I go tell you my brother, my sister, you my brother, but when you do wrong, and they ever look me my face. Me and you, Fred Fund, we did for Germany. You, your friend, now driver for that ambassador for Benin. I don't tell you, Fred Fon. Call that your friend when a driver, when I'm that boy. Me he testify before Ambazonia's name. Who if Ayaba come for inside La Republic Embassy for April, me Ayaba must testify this. Because I know the deal, I know every details of the deal. They tell me will go for day together, I deny me for go. I know them if they. I know they. I deny to take any shit money, and then take blog money. Why Mancho BBC David Joe, Senator Penteres David Joe, Gallam Felix David Joe, others who lead us then they David Joe. Then wait till they please me for go take bribe. I lack now money. It is better to live in poverty than to go and take blood money. Blood money need the help. Blood money now only for drink beer with them. But money will use your 10 hands and your 10 fingers. You walk out them. The money always make use and keep multiplying. But Ayaba must tell we wait where inside now. Inside La Republic Embassy. You must tell we. Because Ayaba, ma tell muna, ma leak am directly for una. If Ayaba like a, he begin to complicate. Muna begin to drag am. Ayaba is working for Federation. Ayaba need to work for anything like for separate Ambazonia for our own. That through this one they tell una. Plenty una would doubt am. Plenty una would doubt and say, the tongue na lie, you do this, do that. All those plastic weapons them where Ayaba display for Ground Zero, they are coming from La Republic. Now La Republic give the weapons, me Ayaba he put up outside, make the international community confused. If Ayaba be truly get rocket, why Ayaba never fire the rocket for Sondera? Ayaba never fire that rocket. So now the truth is what they tell una. And they tell una. Why should, if Ayaba be with we Ambazonians them, why Ayaba could go team up with Paddy Asanga? Why is Ayaba working with Paddy Asanga? Why Ayaba to work with Paddy Asanga? Una fi really tell me? Una fi tell me why Ayaba work here Paddy Asanga? This is wrong. It is unaccepted by Ambazonians. We don't accept this type of nonsense. This is a ramshackle issue. Why? Why should Ayaba be doing this? Ayaba, look, it is a shame for you to be in this revolution. Who is there? I'll get back to you. Yeah, I'll get back to you. Okay. Okay. So, my brother, my sisters, waiting where we talk, we say, if Ayaba be truthful for the revolution, why should Ayaba be doing what he's doing? Why is he doing this? Why should Ayaba go and sign document and collect huge money from the ambassador of La Republic and try to damage our revolution? If Ayaba was honest in this revolution, why he be say Ayaba deny to work hand to hand with IG? Ayaba deny to work hand to hand with any person. Ayaba deny to work hand to hand with any person. So, my brother and my sisters, anything where Ayaba did do am for una, where he do am the show una say he did push for Ambazonia to be free. My lovely brothers and sisters, Ayaba is pretending before you people. Ayaba is working for La Republic. This is the honest truth to you. Why he be say, since we AGC get troops, then we claim say get troops then for Ground Zero, we already see plastic weapons them. We already see uniform for Ground Zero. But we never hear any single fight from AGC. Why? Why? But me, Colonel John, I have to testify una. I get record of fight of SUIL, of Dr. Ebenezer and ASC. all their fight, they will get record about it. Why be say Ole Ayaba we he want it decide for spoil with revolution, with bribery and corruption. And now, just imagine a thief came and joined a thief. The two of the thieves, they are now working like partners to share commission of what is going on. Una reason now, Ayaba, he last do GoFundMe online. The GoFundMe, we discourage the GoFundMe, no man no donate. I will do GoFundMe online, you know work. No man no donate. I will decide, go team up, Yana Yaba. Try for thief credit for groups them. We claim say, na ye be commander. He tried to claim to be the commander of these groups. After Ivo claimed to be commander of these groups them, they don't come out clean and clear. They denounced Ivo. Me, Colonel Atajon, have been in contact and have been briefed with proper information that Red Dragon does not know Ivo. We don't see flyer online circulating online. Red Dragon no know Ivo. Ivo the worker use Red Dragon chop people their money out and like Fred fund, Mugu Fred fund. You take Fred fund your money, chop them. Why all this happening? Why is all this happening? Ivo, nobody knows you. Nobody knows you. But you keep claiming that you are this, you are that. My brother, my sister, any man way they give money for Ivo no, the person now, he need tradition, me they hand you tradition. So, wait till I talk I don't like me any person begin to argue me or say anything, say you have proof you do this, do that. Wait, you proof yourself, you have proof yourself for what I'm saying to you. My brother and my sisters, when I ask yourself, say, why be say, Ivo, he decide to become a prostitute, a group prostitute. Ivo, na federalist from origin. I get messages from federalists where they write for me, they tell me, say, he did so. He tell you don't see Fred from the Mugu. Fred for you be big time Mugu. Big time Mugu. They tell me, say, Ivo, he say, he be commander in charge for all the troops them for Libya. Wonderful. This was a shocking matter for me. Ivo, you, from origin, how many people them from federalist group where they know Colonel Atajon don't testify before Colonel Atajon say you be thief person. My last video, I show one evidence. Ebony Black, they profile Ebony Black, that person will be the defend Ivo in every way to the other. No be last time, Ebony Black, he testified before Ambazonia police, say, he did so, Ivo, na very bad man, na a thief. I be sure now, anybody interested to see this evidence, I'm going to show it clean and clearly. My brother, my sister, any person wey dey here dey talk say somebody dey black mind, me pack it back come out with the man page. Me and the black mind people them. I dey talk na facts we beef dey. Facts we dey evidence we dey. When I want publish evidence, I could do them. When I no want show them, I no go do them. So no force me to do it. I no want them. If you no be happy with me, come out for my page. Come out for my page. So, wait where I talk be say, honestly, if federalists them they talk say Ivor na scammer. Wait to ever convince a normal Ambazonia to come out, come go give money again for scammer. How can one scam you once? At least the Bible says, forgive and forget, but do not trust. Once more. How you go forgive Ivor where Ivor thief money? He thief Dr. Fontaine money, chop am. He chop the money, no? He chop some. He last given some. After me, Colonel Arthur John, I took the lead to put pressure on Ivor to give the money of Dr. Fontaine. I pressurize Ivor every day, day in, day out, before he do this. So after Ivor thief the money, you carry your money again, go give a big thief man. Fred Fund na one of the Mugu. I could quote Fred Fund the one of the Mugu. I tell Fred Fund na my man, na my party man. But he is a Mugu. He is a Mugu for Ivor. Because Fred Fund could go small Ivor could use sense, scammy say the fight with Ground Zero. Fred Fund, who owns Red Dragon? Who is the owner of Red Dragon? Fred Fund will come talk say, now do this, do that, do this, do that, do this, do that, do this. Ayaba is listening. Very good that Ayaba just came. Tabala na Ayaba. Tabala Sizo na Ayaba. Kuluba na Ayaba. We see he comments no. Now he comments that. So now he get that profile that Ayaba listen. Ayaba, welcome to Colonel Arthur John's story. Ayaba, you know very well, say, if you the fear for submit yourself and work with the ASC because you the fear say Ambazonians they could discover say you no get no troops with Ground Zero. Say just you bring people and our kids the way they no even get the heart and courage to make pictures to convince Ambazonians then collect money. However, you ask $300,000 for do it with them. All the money we don't donate and give you for the past 25 years. The one that will sign a silo mutam. Usa all the money you don't keep a Mayaba. Usa all the money where you don't keep them. Usa all the money where you don't keep them. You don't chop the money, no. Why you chop the money, you no stay in peace. You carry the money, go use them. Sleep Cecilia Abi Yamabo them. Use the money, go sleep Moms you them. Use the money, go sleep Abu you them. Use the money, go sleep Wally on the move with them. All the short dwat them. Where they tall they need it. You go use money, go sleep out them. Ayaba, you see how we try an expensive girl, Ko-An. She bagash you. You will send picture of them for your canas for Ko-An. Ko-An, please, kindly send me these pictures back to my inbox. Send me those pictures, Ko-An, back to me, please. Please, do that as fast as possible. I will post the pictures. I will post them online. Let us see Ayaba's canas. Ayaba canas where they send for woman them online. Ayaba, since where you want claim say you be president for Ambazonians, us Ambazonians, we don't decide say you hold no post in Ambazonia. If Dr. Sawesa could give you any post, we could call you to fire you with immediate effect. That a president will trust him and he could listen for we. So now wait that what they talk him. More than what I be Ambazonians they ask themselves say, why he be say Ivor is to be a member of the Federalist group for Facebook. Why is Ivor still a member of the Federalist group online? At the same moment, why Ivor claimed to be member of Federalist group online? Ivor, you know, say me, I the monitor all thing. I get my agent even inside the Federalist group. I get them. You know this very well, Ivor. You know this. Ivor, why you be so evil like this? You the chop for two places. You be two side colors, Ivor. You dey for Federalist group, dey for AGC group. Who is following who in this revolution? My brother, my sister, wanna tell me something? Who is fooling who? If Ivor dey for Federalist group and at same moment, Ivor dey for AGC group. Now who the fool? Who talk the thing? How on earth should a human being be interested in money more than freeing those that are suffering on ground zero? Why he be say, another question I will ask Ivor and Ayaba and I say, why he be say Ayaba and Ivor, both of them, they are jobless. None of them is working. If una want proof, una proof me Colonel Arthur Johnson una do work. Una bring out, una pay in sleep. Musiam, post her online. Post her online with your boss name. You can call your boss, investigate if you do work for them. I have to post my own boss information. Una see I'm not okay anything. That call you for those it off. No problem, no day. You go testify for una. Say Colonel Arthur John the work. Why be say Ayaba be jobless? Ayaba, you the worker for inbox. The inbox people them say me they go for a fake unity concave for Canada. You request that crazy your head. You don't text Ibima party people them for Canada say me they come for fake unity. Or they know and go for it because they know say you are a thief. Ayaba, you be a very, very big thief. The truth be say, if Ivor, if a thief Ivor and a thief Milan Atem, a thief, we don't know identifying out if Ivor be in touch with Milan Atem. I'm trying to track out their wiretaps to investigate if Ivor is in touch with Milan Atem. I want to find out because Milan Atem, because Ayaba, Ian, Ivor, they don't already stand law since they work hand to hand, so they come do life together for convince Ambazonians them in order to steal our income. My brothers and sisters, please do not listen to any scamming coming out from AGC or any group. Listen not to them. Nothing good comes from them. Nothing good comes from them at all. Nothing good comes from them. My brothers and sisters, to be honest before you, Ivor is just a local village champion. If Ivor was a civilized girl, carry no chase Ivor for house. The woman where Ivor born pick with them, nobody the woman don't drive Ivor over our side already. You don't drive Ivor already for our side, no. Just because Ivor is stupidity. He pushed the girl for kick Ivor for outside. The girl say born picking with somebody. No be na married. Married be married, oh. Friend be friend. So thank you, mama. So thank you, papa. Married be married. Jumba be jumba. So Mona get them very, very well. Very, very well. My brother, my sisters, if Ivor be real for this revolution, me he go back and stay with the Federalists, no the come full Ambazonians they online. And where Ivor start cry say, meh, you go hear that his small goat, where they call him, Vela Franklin, he go cry say, mo. Where Ivor cry say, meh, Ivor, Vela Franklin go cry say, mo. That way they happen. Where Ivor did promote scam, Vela Franklin to come begin the promote scam. When I ask Vela Franklin why is him the village champion of Kumbu, when I ask Vela Franklin this question, he blocked Colonel Arthur John because he be live the talk about Colonel Arthur John. He give WhatsApp number say me people call Colonel Arthur John call. If you tell he will go block Colonel Arthur John. Talk say Colonel Arthur John thief gold. Oh, I sorry you I thief gold for side. Vela Franklin at work Why should I be stealing gold? I lack money for buy gold. How much you can use only €150. You buy full gold to them for butcher. For those of many butcher then if you buy gold to them. Vela Franklin, you are just a local village champion. You are a local village champion. You are of no use, Vela Franklin. Vela Franklin, you are lack of home training. Vela Franklin, you the cry daily, the cry every day because you chat Zuzi's Park. You chat Zuzi's Park before Colonel Arthur John go ground zero. Zuzi's Park, he blast you there, you say, you small boy. Say, I don't deal with kids. So now when you there, Colonel Arthur John make jokes, say, EBBB who Zuzi's Park for ground zero. You recall go now, so go begin the preach. Vela Franklin, you are angry. You are angry. The other day say they endorse Colonel Arthur John. Yes, because let them endorse the Colonel Arthur John. He is saying truth. Us at the Amazonia police, we are saying nothing but the truth. But you, Ayaba, and you, the scammers, you people keep preaching, calling fake weapons every moment. Fake weapons, plastic weapons. What are we doing with plastic weapons? And when you want to ask someone, when you want to ask Ivor, after Red Dragon, they denounce Ivor. Ivor, we can go talk, say, he is now a member of ADC. Now wait that way Ivor talk him. Ivor, why are you fooling Amazonians? Why should you keep on doing this? The kingdom of God is at hand. Why are you so wicked like this? Why? Why do you keep doing this? Ivor, you are a disgrace to manhood. You are a disgrace. You are a disgrace to manhood. And lastly, wait till Colonel Arthur John could talk now say, about revolution, please. Make sure you can kindly, please, for God's sake, send the money to the IG, blacking your name, send me your screenshot. I'll also be sending my over 100 euros to on my trip to Boya. You understand? So Ramona Siam. Say, we are serious. This is the truth I'm telling you people. But any person where you wake up, begin the waka, talk trash. They talk trash, say, it is so, IG na nothing. Because they want to defend Ayaba. They want to cover Ayaba. They want to cover stealing. They want to cover fornication. They want to cover how we Ayaba. With my outline some similarities between Ayaba and Milan Atem. And that is why Colonel Arthur John, he made this flyer. Last time, I made this flyer. For sure, I say, I made this flyer. For sure, I made this flyer for sure with Ayaba and Milan Atem. For tell una say na fake people them and publish them online una see them. And Ayaba need to work here and Dr. Ebenezer anymore. Why Ayaba keep on using the name of Dr. Ebenezer? My trip to Boya is the only way that will free us. My brother Wanjang, Mola, Honorable Mola, please, promise us something. What you going to give to the IG My Trip to Boya? Please write a comment and you tell us, Honorable Wanja, please say something. Say something, even is one euros or £1. That will be appreciated, bro Wanja. Erica Zara, you You don't wake up, begin the work and preach, the defend Ivor. The defend Ivor, all places that you make posts, the way you see Colonel after John come in for some play, you come start beginning explaining them about Ivor all the time. They explaining them about Ivor. Eric Azara. Wait, my ask you something, Eric Azara. The Bible, you get Bible, I hear the other day, talk say they go for church. Turn your Bible to 1 Corinthians chapter 6, verse 9 and 16. And you check it, Eric Azara. Why is it that you are so like this? You are like this, Eric Azara. I think I'm going to reactivate your full fights. Tomorrow, Eric Azara, you and Kelly baby, your full fights will be reactivated tomorrow based on the fact that you actually became troublesome for this revolution, and based on the fact that you are defending a thief. If somebody is defending a thief, that person is also a thief. But if you don't defend a thief, you will never be a thief. This is the honest truth. My brothers and sisters, this is not a time for child play in this revolution. Any first way you do bad, please don't keep them. Don't keep them. Bring them out, expose them. Brother Wajang, I'm waiting for you. How much you going to help us to donate to my trip to Buea? It has been officially made that all the scopers will be fired. I, Colonel Arthur John, I go give $100 more, 100 euros more, and I hope then brother and bad revolution say go give $100 also. So now we get at least $200 and something already ready to be dispatched. Who again is going to help to my trip to Buea by promising some money here? Please. Who will promise some money if here for Duam? Bro, Wanja, please promise something. I take statistic for all my way the promise money. I will take statistic. But no give me the money. No give me money. Please send the money directly. Send the money directly to the IG. I don't need money. I don't need money. Please help us and you forward the money to the IG. Wanja, bro, Wanja, and those the IG people, please. You us abroad, let us promise to donate something, please. Let us promise to donate something and fight the republic. Freedom is not cheap. Freedom is not free. Freedom is for real. So now it's action time. Action time require money for non-stop supplies. So my brothers and sisters, please, for the help of God, please do something. Do something. Let us do something and fund my trip to Buea. Any person here who is going to add something to what we are going to give my trip to Buea to fund our revolution in one way to the other. Yes, somebody don't write a fund Changshu boys. Okay, you will write a fund Changshu boys. Goodbye. You will never be able to comment on my video or speak to me. Fun Changshu is an enemy saying under my video. Any person will talk about Changshu, I block him. That is my protocol. So I need to laugh about any person in one way to the other. So my lovely brothers and sisters, I will stop for now and I could take on the other thing tomorrow. Because me, I just come back for work. But I know if you live about the Ayaba and Milan Atem just camps for expose and today. That is why I decided to come live and expose. I need to race now. For now, let the Lord bless you. And Eric Azara and Kelly baby, your files will be reactivated tomorrow. If you like, you're on Facebook, no problem. But you go get the cool tomorrow. I could publish them all online without looking your face, without looking anything. But you go pick ball run. You could pick ball run this time around. Now who promise money now? Anybody there going to promise something to help fund IG my trip to Boya? Please promise something. Promise something at least. Let us raise money for the IG. Freedom is not free. Freedom is very expensive. So please promise something. Promise us something. What you're going to help the IG with. Please. That is very, very good of you, John Oben Eta. Congratulations. Congratulations, John Oben Eta. He promised to give $150 for my trip to Boya. Bro, Eta promised to give $150 for early July. Thank you. I'll put your name for record, my brother. Please, we'll keep in touch. We'll keep in touch about this. Please, that is very, very good. Very, very good for you to promise $150. Congratulations, bro, Oben. That is 3 people there today for the video. Don't promise to give money. Me, Colonel Ata John Oben Eta, Amba Revolution. Me and Amba Revolution could give all the money tomorrow. We could post screenshot online tomorrow. Me all Ambazonians then they see them. They go see them. All Ambazonia go see all screenshot. Or don't send money for my trip to Boya. We could post them tomorrow. Everything online. Me all man see them. Because we know the lie in a lie. We need to give the money with our good heart, good mind and good soul. With God, everything is possible. So 3 people then today don't promise to give money. So we'll try we do them. Amba Revolution. Me and you will give on tomorrow now. You Amba Revolution, I want you, me and you to give on the money tomorrow now. Amba Revolution. Please say something. Amba Revolution, please say something. Please say something. Please. Me and you to give all money tomorrow now. We give all money for my trip to Boya. No be enough for my hand. Sending the money directly on my trip to Boya website. Or you contact somebody and you forward the money to them by paper or any way you can do. They have West Indian or MoneyGram that they can collect money. Please, let's do something. Let's do something. And one thing before I want forget to talk about. I want to tell you now say Dr. Success, now my friend, but I never ever look my face when he start do wrong. Always where Dr. Success the preach and yarn, Alex and Herod. In order to destroy the IG, it's unaccepted. Let them stop it. Let them stop it. Herod. Be aware, you get family for ground zero, no play where they stay. If you want to for travel, go ground zero, go bury them. Continue doing it you want to do. When you continue doing now, you could pick ball run. So, wait till I want to talk be say, me all these people the way they did thief money, me they shut off. Me they shut off. Me they know to try to spoil the revolution with theft. With theft. Theft is a crime which will not be punishable lightly in Ambazonia. Now who they go for? Now who they go for the IG tomorrow? 3 people they don't promise to fund IG. Amba Revolution, Colonel Arthur John and Oben John don't promise. So today at least this video from Colonel Arthur John has brought up 100 euros, $100 and also $150. That is total more than 300 and something dollars. Total of 300 and something. We will give them. At least today life don't bring me 300 and something for 4 people the whole time. I love you all, my lovely brothers and sisters. Let us stick focus. Let the Lord bless us. And shine your eyes and stop listening from what scammers are trying to do to derail our revolution. Please shine your eyes. Please, you can always make promise to give some money to support this revolution. Stay focused. Have a good evening, my lovely brothers and sisters. At this Colonel Arthur John, the video has brought in fruit today. Has brought in something. Ground zero. Very soon you're going to receive groundnut. So ground zero, don't be too angry. You understand? Don't be angry. Ground zero. You receive groundnut. There are already some groundnuts there, but because Ayaba Gogo make and La Republic wise block border, so we need to use now another strategy in order to enter with these things. So enter with them because La Republic now so don't rate all we like enemy direct. Pes we na mami for picking sefo we get to picking the baba picking for back. La Republic one bitam. La Republic one Ayaba one bitam. He one bitam. Today. Hey, my God, stay blessed. I love you all, love you, brothers and sisters. May the Lord bless you.